Good morning. Okay, we can handle that.
You need some ones, don't you?
Take pennies?
I could.
How about ones?
Let me get you a tag.
Okay, thank you. Okay, this is the City of the Rocks, and this is the Welcome Center. The City of Rocks, outside, about 30 miles outside of Deming.
You can get a date. You can get.
Do what?
How many parks are we going to go to?
In
Arizona.
that, well, this is New Mexico.
I mean, New Mexico. You can get an annual day pass for $40.
Morning.
The whole place is magic. I mean, that's what I'm thinking. And this guy lived there for a while.
You can camp out here. If you camp over here, it's $14 a night. You have electricity. They say you can camp among the rocks, which, like up there, and it's $10 a night. It looks like only tents and small campers up there, I would imagine. Beautiful place. So you're gonna go get a t-shirt?
Yep.
Okay.
Come back.
Cool. Yeah. We can go for a little walk up here and then come back and drive. This place is really wild. That's the $14 night campground. There's a good sized Montana in there. This is one of the campsites, or a couple campsites, that are in the rocks around back. These are pretty nice. A nice tree, shade, flat place. You couldn't get anything. These are more tent sites, I would imagine, because it looks like a place up there where you'd pitch your tent. But it's got everything you need. This is pretty wild. You guard it from the wind and everything. This is slick. This place is just outstanding. This is an unknown gem. We just happened to cross it. Look at the tree growing here. Right out of the rock. Right out of the rock. Since we've been not having fun since we've been stuck in Demings, so today's a fun day and not worry about the trailer and the parts we're going to have to get put on Tuesday. We'll make another video about that. Okay guys, we're going to close out this video here, and this is just a great place. You really need to come here. It's about 30 miles outside of Deming, New Mexico. City of Rocks State Park. It's a state park for New Mexico. It's $14 a night if you want to have water and electric. If you want to be among the rocks in a tent or a small camper, it's only $10 a night. So you really need to get over here. If you ever come by Deming, New Mexico, this is a must-see, at least for a day and maybe to camp. So take care, guys. We'll see you down the road we go, and our next video will be coming up soon. Take care.